What's up guys, here is the SMB and today guys I'm gonna show you how I edit my own videos and which app I use to edit with a high quality and export my videos for better quality, but that size is not minimum, not a high size like the video which is gone to 20 minutes is 1 gigabytes. Not so 20 minutes only for 300 megabytes and about. So
yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
so guys, recently I made a video that 100 MCP traps that have never been used before, and I apologize for this video because it's not soon to upload my second video about second part of doing 100 MCP traps. So guys, I use iMovie Pro to edit my old videos that I edited in the official channel and in my second channel too, the official Visitor Gashif, and other channels I edit videos too for. So guys, iMovie is the best app that I have ever used because it's very perfect app to edit every single step that your video has. So guys, I recommend to everyone who has an Apple products that versions is iOS or higher, iOS 11 or higher or lower, only use iMovie or iMovie Pro. Is the best app to use, and special thanks for iMovie because it's been installed before I get MacBook. I got MacBook, so it were installed by Apple company. So thanks guys for your support, so giving me the best app, and it cost on App Store $29, so I even can afford an app which costs so much. So guys, let's see my cartoon that I edited recently on my second channel, the official Visitor Gash against the backlogs. So here, as you can see, there is so many steps, and you can just minimize or maximize by just clicking this or adjusting by right to right, see guys, or to left. And here's the results, or even very small, yep, and then very big, like giant long videos. So another things, there is so many filters that can just clearly show your voice, like the musician voice or instrumental your voice or robotic voice, and other effects too. Transitions is very perfect guys, be honest, very perfect. I used to love transitions. They're very cool transitions. Let's see, first transition, cross dissolve. Let's move it here, cross dissolve, see guys, cross dissolve. Then what is going, cross blue, fade to black, fade to white, spin in, spin out, slide right, slide left, and my favorite one, cross zoom. A YouTuber called Rice Gum uses cross zoom on his own music videos to just show how the split, the end of the video or the end of splitting clip is continuously being not spinned, being just equally fine. How to say, you're splitting one clip and there is two clips, and there is in the end that has a transition, not just like your first video, your second video. You saw your first video and going to second, like it's not one part. But if you use this cross zoom, it goes one part. It's very cool guys. I show you how I use and how it gone. And here's the background, the bloops, underwater papers, white, silk orange, gray, blue, and the titles, other titles, Gollywood titles, news, horizontal blur, and other cool stuff here, guys. So here's so many audios and effects, audio effects, and other cool things. So guys, I recommend iMovie, very cool app. So here's your media, what you upload. Just clicking here, if you click here, you import videos to iMovie to see what you're going to use. And there is your projects, 5 YouTube secrets. Then it goes, thanks for 50 subs, and let's see what I made. Let's do it. So here is, where is my transition? It's another project, sorry guys. I will show you here. Where is my first vlog? You can see my vlogs, daily vlogs, guys. My daily vlogs on my second channel. Just write to search instrument the official because guys, then you will see very entertaining my vlogs. So guys, subscribe to my channel and like my video if it's very helpful. Let's open project. And here, as you can see, I use transition, another transition, but there is cross zoom 2 I used. Here is, let's see. Let's skip a little bit. Here is, no, here is simple blur. No, simple blur too. No, simple blur. Let's change it to cross zoom. I don't know why I use cross zoom. Okay, let's cross zoom. Let's change it up. Okay, let's see. So guys, very cool. It's like going through all back, then flipping and going forward again. It's very cool. I think so. Write comment down below this video, write your own opinion, what you like, which transition you like. Here's so many transitions. So spin in, fade to white, sweat, come like this. First sweat, wipe down, and the other transitions too. I think you all know about transitions, which type of transitions there are, which kind of, and how many transitions so many apps have. So write your favorite transition. I want to know which you like or which will be best in my videos. So here you saw how cross zoom transition works. See guys, it's cool transition. So I use iMovie to edit my videos, to this video about editing. So guys, for 100% I'm sure that iMovie is the best editing app for Apple products. So guys, if you liked my video, please subscribe to my both channels and my friend's channel. They do cool stuff too. So guys, with you SMB, see you in my next video, and peace!